Are you done? Shall I erase it? Okay. Okay, dear. So let's discuss one by one. Okay. Let's discuss addition, subtraction, multiplication, and fraction. Okay. Addition. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 4. I'll give you two kind of question. Okay. Question number 1. Question number 2 is going to be very simple. 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Okay. What do you observe from the question, Netra?
The answer of the first one is 10 by 12.
10 by 12. How did you say that?
I just did mentally. I did the LCM thing.
Very good. That's nice. You can call this method as a butterfly calculation. Okay. You can multiply the denominator with the denominator, and then you will perform cross multiplication between this, isn't it?
No, ma'am, I didn't do like this. I just did it normally. I just did the LCM. I just put on my head and then I did the LCM normal way.
You did the LCM. Yeah, that's great. So you multiplied 3 and 4. You got 12. You multiply 1 and 4, which is 4. 3 2s are 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. So that is how you got 10 upon 12. That's what you did in your mind, isn't it? Am I right? You did it very faster. Very good. So you can do this calculation. Okay. You can do this calculation only for addition and subtraction. Yeah. So you have done LCM over here. Can you name the type of fraction over here? What is 1 by 3 and 2 by 4? Can you name a type of fractions? What kind of fraction is this?
Ma'am, 1 by 3 is a unit fraction and 2 by 4 is a proper fraction.
Oh, yeah. What I'm asking the relation between these two fractions.
Ma'am, they're not equal.
They are unlike fraction, isn't it? Because their denominators are different. You're getting it? The denominators are different. You can call this kind of fraction as a unlike fraction.
No, yeah? But I thought unlike fraction, it has to be at least 3 fractions for it to become unlike.
You can compare it with 2 fraction itself. Okay. You just have to compare the denominators. Okay. And what about this? Can you guess now? Can you guess the relation it shares between these two fractions?
They both are like fractions.
Very good. They are like fractions. Very good. Because the denominators are same.
No, ma'am, they are not proper fractions. 4 by 3 is a improper fraction.
Yeah, this is improper fraction because numerator is greater than the denominator. Yes, you are right. But they are like fractions, isn't it? The relation between these two fractions are likely fractions. Yeah. So you don't have to perform any LCM. You can simply write the same denominator again. You will perform
and then just add these two, 6 by 3.
Exactly. Very good. It's 6 by 3. Good. Good. I'm giving you stars for this. Very good. Yes, dear. Do you want to note it down?
Ma'am, I'll note it down in the recording. It'll be
okay.
easier. I'll waste time if I do.
Okay. Fine. So we discussed addition now. Let's do subtraction. Okay. With the same question. Okay, let me clear the window. Subtraction.
Ma'am, answer is 2 by 7 for the first one.
Very nice. For the first one, the answer is 2 by 7. Great. And what about the second one?
Ma'am, 2 by 9.
2 by 9. Let me verify it. Is it 2 by 9?
Yes, ma'am, because 6 minus 4 is 2.
Okay. Are you getting negative 2, dear? Are you getting negative 2? You're not? Are you sure? Can you check once?
Because 6 minus 4 it's 2.
So you're getting 6 minus 4.
Yes.
Can you check?
This
Can you
one
check
is
once?
4 and 4 by 9. The top one is 4 because 9 will be as it is, and 2 will become into 3 because
Yeah. So 2 will become 6, isn't it?
yes.
2 will become 6. And what is 4 minus 6? It's not 6 minus 4. It's 4 minus 6.
Ma'am, I haven't learned negative numbers yet.
Okay, I'll teach you that. Don't worry. I'll teach you. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2 upon 9. I'll tell you how. So Nitra, whenever we do have two different signs, okay, the 4 contains no sign. So you can assume this as a positive one. Okay. If they didn't mention any sign, you can assume this as the positive one. Okay. So this 6 is negative sign. Whenever we do have two different signs, 4 is plus and 6 is minus. Okay. You have to perform subtraction. You performed subtraction already, which is correct. You told me the answer is 2. That is also fine. But the thing is, you have to keep in mind that you have to put the greater value sign. Sign of the greater value. Which one is greater here? 4 or 6?
4 because it's positive.
No, greater. No. I'm not asking about the sign. You just tell me, like you just compare the number alone. I'm not asking about the sign
The
now.
number 6.
You just compare the values alone.
The
4 or
number
6. The number 6 is greater, isn't it? And the number 6 holds negative value. So you have to put negative sign in your answer. Is it clear?
But we are only doing 4 minus 6.
Yeah.
So will it automatically become that the minus symbol will be to 6?
The minus symbol will be?
To 6.
Yeah, like you can rewrite. What you're saying is correct. You can rewrite 4 minus 6 as 4 plus of minus 6. Isn't
No,
it?
ma'am, I'm just saying that it is 4 minus 6.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I annotate? Is it fine?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
4 minus 6. So does it automatically become, because 6 is in this side, that it becomes minus 6?
Yeah. Yeah, what you're asking is correct. It becomes minus. Okay, you are asking because minus is for the operation. But here I'm considering the sign of the 6 as minus. So you're saying
Ma'am,
this.
I don't understand why you're considering 6 as minus.
That is how you have to rewrite. That is how you have to rewrite. See, you have to rewrite 4 minus 6 as 4 plus of minus 6. The 6 becomes automatically negative. That's what you're asking. Yeah, it becomes negative automatically. That is how you have to consider. Okay.
Just a minute.
See, in case if you have like 6 minus 4, in case if you have 6 minus 4, then the 6 is positive because 6 contains no sign in front of it. You will assume this is positive. Clear? So this will be positive. And what about the sign of the 4?
Ma'am, 4, even if it's minus, the answer will be 2 because 6 is the greater number and it's positive.
Exactly. The answer is +2. Exactly. You got the concept. So here, the 6 and 4, they do share two different signs. Whenever we do have two different signs, you have to perform subtraction and put the greater value sign. Here, the greater value is 6. The 6 has positive sign. So the answer is going to be positive. You're getting it? Let me do 2 to 3 questions just to avoid confusion. Like 14 minus 27 and 23 minus 110. So 14 minus 27. What is it? Yeah.
Minus 13.
Minus 13. Very good. Because the 14 is positive and 27 is negative. Two different
So we
signs.
have to
You perform
minus 27
subtraction.
with 14 and then just put the minus
Put the
sign.
greater sign. Put the greater one sign. The greater one here is 27 and it has negative sign with it. Clear? Can you check on this? What is 23 minus 110?
10, 7, 0, 10. Minus 87.
Minus 87. Great. So are you getting the concepts now? You can use the same concept for the integer. This is applicable for the integer, for the fraction, and for decimals also. Okay, dear? For example, like 0.08 minus 1.12. You can use the same concept. Okay, there is no
Ma'am,
sign
but
in
I
front
have
of.
a doubt in decimals division. Just that.
You have doubts in division. Okay, I'll teach you. Don't worry. We'll discuss fraction today. If time permits, we'll discuss decimals also. Okay. Okay. So we were actually discussing 4 minus 6 upon 12, isn't it? So now you know how it became negative 12. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I hope it is clear. So we discussed addition, subtraction. Let me give you a question from multiplication. You try to solve it and tell me the answer. Okay. Okay, what is the answer for this question, dear?
1 minute.
Yeah.
20. 20. 5 into 4, 13, 52.
We are performing multiplication here. We do apply LCM only for addition and subtraction.
520 by, ma'am, 520 by 20.
520. Why, dear?
Ma'am, because because 5 and 4. Oh no, I'm not. Oh, sorry.
No problem. Take your time. No issues. Take your time and tell me. No
I saw
problem.
you said the LCM method.
We are doing multiplication. You don't have to perform LCM over here. How do you perform multiplication fraction?
the
You have
answer
to
is
multiply
26 by
numerator
20.
and numerator, denominator and the denominator. Yeah?
26 by 20.
26 upon 20. Very good, Netra. Sorry. Where is the stars? Yeah. I'll give you one more question. Okay, I don't want to confuse you with the negative signs. I'll teach you the negative numbers also. Okay, I'll teach you. I'll make sure I cover all the basics. Okay, can you tell me the answer for this?
12 by 65.
12 by 65. Good. So you're good at multiplication tables. Good, very good. Okay, dear. I hope you remember the division. How do? You just have to write the first fraction as it is, change the division operation into a multiplication operation, and then you have to take reciprocal of the second fraction. So 4 by 3 will become 3 by 4. So now you have to do the exactly. Exactly. Very good. So it's 9 upon 32. Very good. Okay. Okay, Netra. Now, what I'll do, I'll give you the combination of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, you give me your answer. Just give a try. Okay. I want you to try this in your notebook. Okay. Okay. These 6 questions.
The first answer is 42 by 50.
Okay.
Second answer 79 by
79 upon. Okay.
third one 3 by 5.
Okay.
Fourth one minute, let me just Ma'am, third one is 12 by 234. I mean fourth, yeah, by 230. 230. Good, right? Ma'am, can you hear me?
Hello.
Ma'am, can you
Yes,
hear me?
Netra. Yes, Netra, I can hear you. What is the denominator?
234.
234. Yeah.
One, 156, no, sorry, 24 by 156.
24 by 156. Very good.
Multiplication. 38 by 38 by 3.
38 by 3. Yes, you're right. Very good. I'll give you full credits. Good.
On the seconds until you can skip the ad, right?
Netra, I'm going to play you a song on the fraction, okay? Just let me know whether you're able to see my screen. Just for edutainment purpose, okay?
You never had to watch an ad again. What if you...
I can see the screen.
You can see the screen. Can you hear the audio as well? You can? All right.
There were 5 pieces in one whole pie. The denominator of the whole pie was 5. The numerator of my part was 3, as 3/5 of the pie was for me. My mom made the apple pie out of Granny Smith's. She asked me if I liked it. I said, I plead the 5th.
The numerator's the part, the denominator's the whole, and fractions are parts of a whole.
Three birds were on a telephone pole. The denominator 3 was the group as a whole. The numerator 2 out of the thirds described the 2/3 that were bluebirds. The numerator 2 described how many were blue. Then something fell on my head. It was bird poo. Bird poo.
The numerator's the part, the denominator's the whole, and fractions are parts of a whole.
I took 4 shots on the goal. 3 went in, but 1 hit the pole. The denominator was all 4 shots. The numerator was the 3 goals I got. The other team's record had taken a toll. I got 3/4 summer shots and 1 Olympic gold.
The numerator's the part, the denominator's the whole, and fractions are parts of a whole.
A number line is every fraction between 0 and 1. Right in the middle is 1/2. 1/4 is half of that. A fraction's parts you realize have to be the same size.
Hey, we're late for the game.
Hate to leave you guys.
Visit numberrock.com.
Yeah. Just a small video. What you have understood from this song here? Yeah. Fractions are parts of a whole.
Mom, is my video lagging?
Now it's perfect. It was lagging. This is what you're saying, am I right? Yeah. So parts were the numerator and whole is the denominator. I mean, numerator, denominator. A lady was explaining something on the number line. Can you recollect it and tell me what she was trying to say?
Yes, ma'am, she was saying that. Ma'am, can I annotate?
Sure.
She was saying that there was like 1 minute. She's saying in a number line from 0 to
Mhm.
1, there's a part,
Okay.
and half of it is the half, and then there's 1/4, and then there'll be 4 parts of it.
Okay.
So 1 can be separated into 4.
Yeah.
And 1/3, I mean, and then 2/4 of it, and all it's like that.
Okay. Great. So it's 1 by 4. And here it's 1 by 2. And again, you will have 3 by 4. It will be 1 here. Great.
Here.
Let's discuss few shapes. Fraction in shapes. How will you represent this in fraction?
And it will be 2 by 4.
It will be 2 by 4. Why did you say that?
Because 2 parts are shaded and
Shaded?
there are 4 whole parts.
Yeah, that's great. Can you draw a shape for this? You can choose any shape. Yeah.
It is there are 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not working.
No problem, no problem. That was good.
I just do it in rectangle. 1 minute.
You can use stars also. You can use rectangle also. Anything is fine. Any shape. It's totally up to your creativity.
I'm just shading like this. Is it fine?
No problem. That's fine.
I'm doing it in a computer. It's hard.
It's fine. It's okay. It was good.
If I had a mouse, I would have done it properly, but I don't. I'm doing it in the
It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. What kind of a fraction is this?
mix it.
Mixed fraction. Can you convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction?
Yes, we have to multiply 4 to 3 and add 1 and then put the denominator 3 as it is.
The same
it's
denominator
13
again.
by-
Very
13
good.
by-
Very good. Can you quickly tell me the answer for this?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. 1 minute. I have to write it down on
No
paper.
problem.
Then the 7 will be 21. 21 by 5 into 2 by 5. It will be 25. I'm sorry, the denominator is 25. 42 by 25.
42 by 25. Yes.
unlike fraction.
Can you arrange them in the ascending order?
Um, ascending order.
You just tell me, I'll write the answer.
2 by 3,
Yeah,
4 by 3,
yeah,
11 by 3,
yeah.
and 14.
Good. Can you do the descending order for the same question?
14 by 3, 11 by 3, and 4 by 3, and 2 by 3.
Great. Okay. So we'll summarize the session. So in today's session, we discussed the basics in fraction. We discussed about the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And we did addition with like fractions and unlike fractions also. And you already aware of proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Yes. And we did ascending order and descending order also. We converted the mixed fraction into the improper fraction also. Yeah. And also we discussed a bit about the sign. We were dealing with two different signs. One was positive and another one was negative. So whenever we do have two different signs, we do go for subtraction and we'll put a greater value sign in this. Yeah. Okay. So do you have any doubt what we have discussed today? Yeah, you're fine. Okay. So we watched a small video on fraction also. So from that video, we learned fractions are parts of a whole. Yeah. All right. So Netra, is it okay if I share the worksheets as homework? Yeah. Okay. Okay, dear. Then what I'll do, I'll forward the worksheets on WhatsApp to your mama's number.
Ma'am, actually, can you send it in another number? My mother's gone to like her hometown. Just today she left.
Oh, fine, fine. You just tell me the number, I'll note it down.
Ma'am,
Okay, give me a second. I'll stop recording it.